How to enable or disable circle to search on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. So you will see displays here, so click on display. Now here, so scroll down and click on navigation bar. You will see navigation bar is here, so click on navigation bar. Now here, so you will see circle to search is here. So if you want to disable circle to search, so turn off this button. You will see circle to search is disabled. So if you want to enable circle to search, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see circle to search is enable. So you will enable or disable circle to search from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable circle to search on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.